Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you verify your YouTube channel. At first I want to let you know that if you are new in my channel, stay with me, subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, share with your friends. Let's start. This is my new account, so I want to show you how you verify your new account or old account. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's start. At first go to your YouTube account, then click on the corner, then go to setting. After that you will find few features, that is YouTube channel status and features, add or manage channel, view advanced setting, many more. What you have to do right now, that is click on channel status and feature. After that you can see feature eligibility. If you want to verify your if you want phone verify, you have to do something. You have to click on the right corner here. Okay, you can see there is lots of requirement, but you don't have to do nothing, because you have to do click on phone verify. After that, how you now there is two steps for receiving phone verification code on your phone. Now there is verify your phone number. Let's see access additional feature on YouTube and help us make sure you are the real YouTube creator, not robot. Okay, so that's why we need to verify phone, because YouTube wants to know you are robot or person. So text me the verification code. If you are Bangladesh, click Bangladesh. If you are from others country, then click your country. Then if you want to receive the verification code in call, then call, select the call. And if you want to receive verification code in text, then text. I would like to receive code in text, so that's why I will give here my number 82886739, and I want to see what's happened. Click OK. Google said 6-digit code has been sent in on that number. Enter your 6-digit verification code below. If you don't get the text message, try going to back, selecting the call me with the automatic voice message option instead. And I will check my phone that verification phone is calm or not. Yes, I received the verification code. Now I will put it 50. Okay, that is my verification code. If you select phone text message, then they will send you code in text message. Now click on submit. Now you can see that congratulations, your phone number is now verified. Okay, now your work is done. Now you can see my phone verification is done or not. I will select that. I'll select my channel. You can see that my phone verification is done. If you see the green mark here, that means your phone verification is done. So thank you for watching.